Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the sulfur system. The diagram shows the phase diagram of a sulfur system. That is pressure temperature diagram. Before going to discuss this sulfur system, we must know about the polymorphism. The existence of a substance in more than one crystalline form possessing different physical properties is known as polymorphism. This phenomenon occurs both in elements and compounds. When it is observed in case of elements, it is known as allotropy. Each polymorphic form constitutes a separate phase. The temperature at which one crystalline form changes into another is known as transition point or temperature. Polymorphic forms which are interconvertible into one another at the transition temperature are said to be enantiotropic forms, and the phenomenon is called as enantiotropy. The transition point is somewhat similar to the melting point. The sulfur system is one compound system as the only chemical individual is sulfur. It is somewhat complicated as two solid phases, rhombic sulfur Sr, monoclinic sulfur Sm, liquid sulfur Sl, and vapor sulfur Sv exist. The phase diagram as shown in the figure. The areas to the left FACD, it is solid phase rhombic sulfur. The enclosed area ABC contains monoclinic sulfur Sm. The area DCBE contains liquid sulfur, and below FABE, that is vapor sulfur. Within the area, the system is always bivariant. Within the curves, the system is always univariant, and at the point, the system is non-variant. That is triple point. At the triple point, the system is invariant or non-variant. There is effect of pressure on the transition point. As we know, the transition temperature of rhombic sulfur is at point A. As pressure increases, the transition point is also increases. The curve AC is represented the transition curve of rhombic sulfur. Here SR and SV are in equilibrium. The degree of freedom is 1 and system is univariant. The curve CD is fusion point curve of rhombic sulfur. Along this curve, there are two phases are in equilibrium, SR and SL. Thus, we can explain all the remaining curves. At any triple point, the system is non-variant. It can be explained by applying phase rule F is equal to C minus P plus 2, that is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 0. Hence, the degrees of freedom is 0 and the system is invariant or non-variant. Thank you.